Hello, my name is Amanda McCoy. I am the Director of Training for Spin Concepts, Inc. We are located in Kansas City, Missouri. Last year when I was here, when I saw ResQ, I was bowled over, honestly. I was very excited to share the information with Joe, our Director of Facilities, and he has saved us more time, equipment failure. It used to be about 72 hours to get anyone to complete a task there. Now it's a turnaround time of about 24 to 36 hours. I couldn't be more grateful because now the individuals that we have in our restaurants can run the restaurant and be hospitality driven. This gives them the tools to do what we want for them, which is to grow their business one guest at a time, but it takes a village. So we've got all these people and pieces, and ResQ's just put it all together. It's like the glue. So I would say first and foremost, with pizza ovens, we have 3 different types. That makes it more challenging to have all of the expertise that we should have on how to utilize or how to fix, repair, maintain those ovens. To create the consistency in the manager's knowledge base, we had to be present to show them hands-on. And to call out for other outside vendors and repair companies, it was a specialized product. These ovens are specialized. So we were really frustrated with how much time we were losing overall, and money, so much money. In the flights, driving back and forth, it was more costly than just not being able to make some pizzas for an hour, much more. And so now the bottom line is just better because we're not traveling, paying for gas. Oh, I think you don't know you need it till you see it. These platforms, specifically ResQ at this moment, changes how we do our business. I feel like we're of this era now. And I feel like our teams have more confidence. And I will say that we have gotten a much higher level of long-term management hires in the last year. And I would say that having ResQ, when people come in now and see our concepts, we are relevant. Even if we have old-fashioned food, we have Neapolitan pizza, or we have just, handheld tacos in one place, but we're relevant with the information age and the ability to have real-time information. And that saves us time, money, and also makes your managers really, really happy, which there's really no dollar amount. So ResQ equals happy.